Alright boys, well, we've got us, there's a conundrum here, I believe. I haven't had one for a while, so I'm not sure. We got a conundrum or a coinky-dink going on, but from the looks of this here, we've blown a blinker gasket, boys. We're leaking blinky fluid. What in heaven's tarnations is happening? How does that even work? I just got the headlights calibrated last week. I wonder if it has something to do with that. We're gonna have to do some investigating now, boys. Because blinky fluid is toxic and we don't want to get that leaking around. So we'll have to check this one out real thorough and good, boys. Alright then.